Hi, I am Raj. This video is part of Sydney to Darwin, Adelaide, Melbourne and back to Sydney road trip playlist. Check my playlist to watch more videos like this. If you are planning to do road trip and explore Australia, subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Today I am at Katherine Hot Spring in Northern Territory. These natural thermal springs are situated on the banks of the Katherine River within the Katherine Township. It is just under 5 minutes drive from the center of the town. It's a 2 to 3 minutes walk from the car park to the stream. Available facilities here are barbecue, cafe, car park, coach parking, family friendly picnic area and public toilet. The hot spring is lovely, naturally warm water, very clean and crystal clear water. Bins are provided. The perfect temperature for a relaxing dip. The water is not as warm as Matranka or Bitter Spring, but it's always a lovely dip and just amazing that it is so accessible just out of the town center. The water is about 35 degrees and so lovely. The spring itself bubbles up out of an underground cave. So I'm just walking along the stream. I'm going to the top of the stream now. From there I'm starting. Walkway to the hot spring is easily accessible as you've seen with a few stairs in the mix. The hot spring are long but very narrow as you can see here. This is a small bridge. This place is relatively busy. Nice parkland at the top of the springs with unisex change rooms with the toilets. If you are in this area, I recommend you stop by to enjoy the nature's gift. It's hard to imagine that in wet season this area is submerged in water. It is only open during dry season, March to September, and closed during wet season, October to February. It is closed without any management, just a sign will say it is closed. Crocodiles might be there in wet season and not safe to swim. You can see the top of the pool here and the staircase there. A great place to spend a few relaxing hours. You can start at the top of the hot spring via a steep step ladder. Is the entrance to the pool and work your way down the stream. I took video of this, you will see shortly. I was swimming over a couple of rapids under the bridge and down the relaxing stream. It is a fun trip. Conversely, you can just plonk in one of the upper pool or lower pool and relax. Either way, it's an amazing treat. Don't forget your noodle or any other floating gears. Now I'm going to swim in the narrow stream. Continue watching to enjoy the Katherine Hot Spring. Like and subscribe. Now I am back to the car park area. So the orange color, the box, that's the cafe. It looks like a portable cafe, and a lot of spaces for the car park and relaxing area and tables and chairs. So the end there is the entry to the hot stream. So you just keep walking there to the end, and then you go down to the stream. I think cafe is closed when we came back. The one you are seeing at the straight, that's the toilet and the shower and the change room. When we were there, it was very busy. It's a wonderful place, so don't miss. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.